You've rested, you've iced it, you've stretched, you've even stopped training for weeks, maybe months. So why does that same tendon still hurt the moment you return? Here's the uncomfortable truth most fitness videos won't tell you. Your tendon isn't injured the way you think it is. This isn't about bad luck, age, or weak genetics. And it's definitely not because you didn't stretch enough. Today, you're going to understand why tendons don't heal like muscles, why most rehab advice accidentally keeps you stuck in pain, and what actually forces a tendon to remodel instead of staying fragile. If you've had stubborn pain in your elbow, knee, Achilles, or shoulder, this video will change how you train forever. By the end of this video, you'll know why rest alone makes tendon pain come back, why stretching often makes tendon pain worse, the exact signals tendons need to heal, how to train with tendon pain instead of fighting it. No hype, no magic exercises, just how the body really works. This is where everyone messes up. Muscles heal fast because they're built for damage. They have a rich blood supply. They're elastic. They regenerate quickly. Tendons are the opposite. Tendons are dense connective tissue, low blood flow, slow metabolism, designed to transmit force, not absorb chaos. When you treat a tendon injury like a muscle injury, you automatically delay healing. This is why. Just rest doesn't work. Foam rolling doesn't fix it. Random stretching doesn't save you. Your tendon isn't asking for comfort. It's asking for specific stress. Step 2. Why rest feels good, then betrays you. Rest reduces pain. That's why it feels smart. But here's the problem. Pain reduction is not healing. When you stop loading a tendon, collagen fibers weaken. Tendon stiffness decreases. Load tolerance drops. So when you return to training, the tendon is actually less prepared than before. That's why the pain always comes back. First workout? Feels tight. Second workout, that spot again. Third workout, pain is fully back. Rest didn't heal the tendon. It just turned the volume down temporarily. Most chronic tendon pain isn't inflammation anymore. It's failed adaptation. Your tendon keeps receiving signals like too much load too fast, too little load for too long, random, inconsistent stress. So instead of remodeling stronger collagen, it lays down disorganized, weaker fibers. That's why the tendon feels thick, feels stiff in the morning, hurts at the start of workouts, hurts again after workouts. The tendon is stuck in limbo, not injured enough to tear, not stimulated enough to heal. This will upset people, but it's true. Aggressive stretching on a painful tendon increases compression at the attachment point, irritates already disorganized fibers, and sends the wrong signal to the tissue. Stretching feels relieving because it numbs sensation temporarily, but tendons don't heal from length. They heal from load tolerance. This is why people say, I stretch every day, but it still hurts, because flexibility wasn't the missing piece. Not random load. Not ego lifting, not pain-free avoidance, progressive, controlled loading. Tendons respond to slow, heavy, repeated tension. This tells the body, rebuild this tissue stronger. That's why eccentric training works. That's why isometrics reduce pain. That's why tempo matters more than reps. You don't baby a tendon back to health. You teach it to tolerate force again. One of the biggest mistakes you make is this. You feel pain, you assume damage. But with chronic tendon issues, pain is often sensitivity, not tearing. The tendon is safe, but underprepared. Avoidance reinforces weakness. Mild to moderate pain during rehab loading is often part of the healing signal, not a warning sign. Pain that settles within 24 hours, doesn't escalate week to week, doesn't change movement quality, is usually acceptable. Zero pain is not the goal. Increasing tolerance is. Most rehab fails because it's chaotic. You jump between bands one day, machines the next, body weight whenever it hurts less. Tendons need consistency, predictable loading, gradual progression. Same movement, same angle, same tempo. Progress load, not variety. Healing isn't exciting, but it's precise. Mistake 1. Waiting until it doesn't hurt. By the time it doesn't hurt, your tendon is already weaker. Mistake 2. Stretching instead of strengthening. Flexibility won't protect a tendon that can't handle force. Mistake 3. Training around the pain forever. Avoidance teaches the body that the tissue is fragile. Mistake 4. Doing rehab randomly. Consistency beats novelty every time. Mistake 5. Expecting fast results. Tendons adapt slowly, but they adapt permanently when done right. Your tendon never healed because you rested instead of loading. You chased comfort instead of capacity. You treated it like muscle tissue. You feared pain instead of understanding it. Tendons don't heal through rest, they heal through respectful stress. If this changed how you think about pain and training, don't let it stop here. Subscribe for videos that explain why your body behaves the way it does, not just what exercises to do. And if you're currently dealing with stubborn tendon pain, comment below with the area, elbow, knee, Achilles, or shoulder, and I'll cover it step by step in future videos. Train smarter, heal stronger.